In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your custom HTML email template file for use in Mailchimp. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to create engaging and personalized email campaigns that stand out in your subscribers' inboxes. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step to ensure that your email looks just the way you envisioned it. To get started, you'll want to have your custom HTML email template ready. This file is your design blueprint containing all the visual and textual components that make up your email. Make sure your HTML is clean and follows best practices for emails to ensure it displays well across different email clients. Once your template is set, we're ready to hop into Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Mailchimp offers a variety of plans to suit different needs. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab from the dashboard. This is the main hub where you can manage all your email projects. Click on the Create Campaign button to initiate a new email. You'll be presented with several options here, but since your goal is to use your custom HTML, select Email and Continue. The next crucial step is choosing Code Your Own. This option will allow you to manually input your HTML code without being bound by preset templates. Under Code Your Own, you'll see a few choices. Select Paste in Code. This action opens an editor where you'll paste the HTML code from your email template file. It's a straightforward process. Just copy the code from your template and paste it into the editor in Mailchimp. Now, the editor is quite powerful and allows you to make adjustments if necessary. Take a moment to review your design within Mailchimp's interface. If something doesn't look quite right, you can tweak the HTML directly in the editor. Common adjustments involve resizing images, aligning text, or modifying colors to ensure that everything fits snugly and looks appealing. This step is all about ensuring that your email reflects your original design intentions. Before you launch your email to the world, it's wise to preview it and send test emails. This safety check ensures that your email appears correctly in subscribers' inboxes. Mailchimp provides a handy preview option. Use it to see how the email looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied with the preview, send a test email to yourself and perhaps a colleague, just for another round of checks. Test emails are crucial because they reveal how your design holds up in the real world with live links and images. With everything reviewed and tested, you're all set to go live with your campaign.